Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on the book. And a reminder before we get started to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy it. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 122. If we start with this box, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got a 3 here and a 9 here, so this is our 6. That 3 makes this our 9, 3. For this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 7. 4 here, so 6, 4. For this column now, we're missing an 8. For this column, we're missing a 1. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this row now, we're missing a 5. For this column, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got a 7 covering these two boxes, so our 7 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 8, 9, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing a 3. For this bottom row, we're missing 2, 4, 7, and 9. We've got the 9 here, so 2, 4, 7, 9 and 7 here, so 2, 4, 2 and 7 here, so 4, 9, 4 here, so 2, 4, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 6, and 8. We've got the 1 and 6 here, so 2, 8. 1 and 2 here, so 6, 8. No help here. 1, 2, 6, 8. 1 and 8 here, so 2, 6. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, 7, and 8. We've got the 3 here, so 4, 7, 8. 7 here, so 3, 4, 8. 4 here, so 3, 7, 8. 4 and 8 here, so 3, 7. And looking back at this row, the only place a 1 can be is here. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 1 and 9 here, so 4, 8. 9 here, 4 here, so 1, 8. So the only place the 1 can be in that box is here, and the only place the 4 can be is here. That 4 makes this our 2, 8, 6, 2. Let's do some cleanup. With that 2, we can get rid of this 2 and this 2. And with that 8, we can get rid of this 8. All right. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, 6, and 8. We've got 2, 6, and 8 here, so this is our 1. That 2 and 6 means this is our 8. Don't see any other help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. For this top row, we're missing 2, 6, 7, and 9. We've got 2, 6, and 7 here, so this is our 9. 2 here, so 6, 7, and no help here, 2, 6, 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, 5, and 6. We've got 2 and 6 here, so 3, 5. 5 here, so 2, 3, 6. 2 and 5 here, so 3, 6. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, no, just 3, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 9, and no help here, 3, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 8. That makes this our 9, 6. That 9 makes this our 8. Let's do some cleanup. With that 8, we can get rid of this 8. With that 6, we can get rid of this 6 and this 6. This column, the only place the 9 can be is here, and that makes this our 3, 2, 7, that 3 and 7 makes this our 8. There's a 4 here. I don't know why I didn't have that there as my 9, which makes this my 4, 7, 4. Let's do some cleanup again. We can get rid of that 8. That 4 now makes this our 3, 7, 6, 3, 5. And that 6 makes this our 2 and 6. We managed to finish a puzzle today. Well, that will do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.